Tell you what, Troy, I don't think I'll ever forget that as long as I live.
Boy, I haven't seen a man wet himself so fast at the sight of a pistol.
How much you think we got there?
I'd say we got at least 10 grand in there, Elliot. Tell you what, my friend, this is gonna change our lives for the better.
What I heard from that last town, 10 grand should be more than enough to change our lives. But, little birdie told me that you was looking to pay off quite the debt.
Oh, Elliot, you know how rumors is. They ain't always true.
Well, this one seems quite certain.
Seems to me the only thing that's certain is that one of us is gonna be walking away with that money. The other one is gonna be feeding them coyotes.
I trusted you, Troy.
You had every right to. But trust don't repay blood money to Johnny Lark and the Silver Gang.
Johnny Lark and the Silver Gang ain't your problem, Mr. Fletcher. I am.
So I say.